Uninzi labafundi e-UNISA baliphosile ixesha lokubhalisa ebelibekiwe. Ngoko nje ibhunga leenkokheli zabafundi lifuna liphinde longezwe ixesha lokubhalisa.
Majority of our students are yet waiting for their results and they are confused whether or not they should actually register or not. That's why we're calling for the extension of the registration. It's because we understand that some of our students in their majority have not been able to register, but also some of our students have not been able to receive offers. The university has promised that it will give the students offers.
Ngosuku lokugqibela lokubhalisa kule veki iphelileyo ngolwesihlanu, abafundi baye bajika njengoko ii-campus ziliqela bezivaliwe. Kwaye abafundi bathi khange bakwazi ukuzifumana izicelo zokubhalisa online ngenxa yeengxaki zobuxhakaxhaka.
I'm frustrated because you can see I have Northwest number plates. I drove from far to be here, only to find it closed. On our portals, it's showing that our registration is in progress. We are honest students who need to start studying now.
My frustration is within the campus because of everyone is busy here complaining about the same thing. Fees are not being paid, requirements are not being met, so I don't know really what's going on. So I'm frustrated.
Kodwa i-UNISA ithi inika abafundi ixesha elaneleyo lokubhalisa.
Our sense is that at some point the academic year has to begin because a semester consists of so many days and if we entertain any more extensions, the trouble is that you eat into those days that will constitute a semester. And in any case, it's not just one person that can make a decision, a determination whether there will be an extension or not. It's the entire executive committee of the university.
Ukanti i-UNISA ihlaba ikhwele kwiinkokheli zabafundi ukuba zivumele inkqubo yokufunda nokufundisa iqhubele phambili ngaphandle kwamagingxigingxi.